Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today's video is all about serums, how to use a serum, why use a serum, what does a face serum do, and how to layer your serum in your skincare routine. I am here without any makeup today so that you can actually see what's going on my skin. I have been trying out the Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Sculpting Serum. Now this one is extremely lightweight. If you have it on your skin, you don't even feel that you have anything on your skin. It is that lightweight. Vitamin A helps prevent wrinkles and fine lines. It enhances skin's elasticity and lifts, brightens and firms the skin to achieve the 20 sculpted look. It's got instant collagen boosters which help in skin firming, and it's got niacinamide which helps to strengthen skin barriers. I personally love the fragrance. It is super fresh and it's spring-like, and I've been using this for a week now and I really enjoy it. They also have two other variants. This one is the Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Reflection Serum and the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Serum. I love applying serums because the consistency of the serum is much lighter than moisturizers and it gets absorbed by the skin much faster. They penetrate deeper into the skin and they hydrate the skin without making the skin greasy. Because of its thin, lightweight texture, serum is the ideal way to get the maximum benefits. Serums are targeted, so there's a serum for every concern that you have. The active ingredients in serums are present at a higher concentration than any other products, and they give you better, faster results than most other skincare products. And so serum is a product that should be a part of every girl's skincare routine. Now, it's very important to take care of your skin first, because the better the condition of your skin is, the more amazing your makeup will look. Now, using a serum according to your skin type will give you a firmer, smoother skin. It will make your pores appear smaller and it will increase your moisture levels. Now, these days there are so many products available like brightening, anti-aging, pore minimizing, hydrating, antioxidant, and these are the most common ones. And you should select a type according to your skin's need. Now, when do we start using anti-aging products, anti-aging serums? Most dermatologists say that 25 is the right age to start using a good skincare routine and anti-aging products because of so many factors like the pollution, stress level, eating habits. All of these make the process of skin aging early, and as we grow older, the hydration level in our skin decreases, hence we get fine lines. Now, how do we use a serum in our skincare routine? Serums are meant to be used after cleansing and before moisturizing. Now, what I do is I wash my face with a good cleanser. After washing the face, if I feel like I exfoliate, some days I exfoliate, some days I don't. Then I apply the serum, and after applying the serum, I wait for 20 to 30 seconds and let it get absorbed into the skin. And after that, you can apply any face cream you want to lock in the moisture. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know if you've used the serum and how it worked for you. I have a coupon code for you guys. It's Lakme Serum 40 and it will give you 40% off. Do check out my description box for more information. Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.